Hi, boys and girls. Okay, we're going to move on to lesson 4 in our books. It is the same thing that we did yesterday. It just now has a name. When you multiply 3 factors, it does not change the product. That's called the associative property of multiplication. It's the same thing as the associative property of addition. So, just like yesterday, with these first 2 pages in your book, in your lesson, this is what I use to teach. So I'm going to go to my whiteboard. If you want to copy it down as I'm teaching, you can go for it. If you just want to listen, that's fine too. So this first one, we have Chris and Katie each received 4 smile stickers a week for 3 weeks. How many smile stickers did they earn all together? Well, I have some keywords that tell me it's multiplying. I see the word each right here. A week, that means you're doing it each time. And then all together, that's multiplication. So we're going to solve that. I wrote an equation. 2. That was not in the problem. If you see, there was no 2 in this problem. But we have to think, those are the 2 kids. So 2 stands for the kids. Then they each got 4 stickers. And they got that for 3 whole weeks. Sorry, we're making bread. That's my bread maker going off. Okay, so we have 2 times 4 times 3. It does not matter which way we multiply this. You choose, the product will be the same. We can do 2 times 4 first. That means I put my parentheses around here. Parentheses tell you what to do first. 2 times 4 gets me to 8. And then I bring down the other parts of the equation. 8 times 3 gets me to 24. That'll be 24 stickers. Now I can do it the other way too. I can do 4 times 3 first to get me to 12. Bring down that 2. 12 times 2 is still 24. So it didn't matter which way we multiplied, we still got the same answer. That's all we're doing today. That's what the associative property states. So let's turn the page now. This next one, Cheryl has 2 photos. Each photo shows 5 friends holding the same number of flowers. There are 30 flowers altogether. How many flowers is each friend holding? Well, they already showed you how to write this multiplication sentence right here. Okay, 2 stands for the number of photos she has. 5 stands for the friends who are holding those photos. Okay, we do not know how many each flower or flowers each person is holding. We know the total. So this is a little different, it's a little tricky. But if we set up an equation, we can solve it. So I can't do 2 times this number because I don't know it. Oops, I don't know what that number is. So I have to do 2 times 5 first. That got me to 10. 10 times what gets me to 30? Think how many 10s are in 30? We should all say 3. Oops. So 2 times 5 times 3 is 30. Each friend is holding 3 flowers. That one's was a little harder. So now, again, use parentheses to group the factors and then find the product. So you can choose which ones you want to put here first. If you want to do 2 times 4 first, you can. If you want to do 4 times 6 first, you can. I'm going to do 4 times 6, then 2. So 4 times 6 is 24. Then times 2 is 48. That was a different way to do it. I'm going to do it how they have it set up this time. 4 times 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay. Now, the missing factor that says new, this is a little harder. Okay, I cannot do anything with this blank. I don't know what it is yet. So I only can complete the numbers that I see. So 2 times 3, I know how to do 2 times 3, it's 6. Okay, and I'm going to bring down the product here, it's 30. I have to think, what times 6 equals 30? You should know, or you can use your multiplication chart to figure this out. 5 times 6 equals 30, so the unknown is 5. Okay, so now I want you to get your pencil in your hand. I want you to try to be working as I'm going over this. We are, again, only going to do the evens. That means 4, 6, 8, 10. So we're going this side. Okay, it says use the parentheses to group two factors, then find each product. 4 times 1 times 3. So again, you're just going to rewrite that equation. Parentheses tell you which ones you're multiplying first. 4 times 1 first. Should be easy, it's 4. Bring down that 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, now you try number 6. 6 times 2 times 2. Now, if we look at number 8, this is the unknown. I can't do 3 times this number because I don't know what it is. I know 3 times 4, though. I'm going to rewrite this on my whiteboard so it's easier for me to show you. So 3 times blank times 4 equals 24. Aw, man. I erased it. So I'll just use this one. So I can do 3 times 4 first. That is 12. Okay, now I can bring down 12 times, I don't know, equals 24. How many 12s are in 24? You can use a multiplication chart to help you. You can add 12 until you get to 24. You should get 2. Okay, then I want you to work on number 10. 3 times, or blank, times 3 times 3 equals 27. Can't do the blank. You have to do 3 times 3 first. And then you're going to use this fun little key here to do 12, 14, and 16. So 6 times 1 times this stands for 2. So parentheses say do 6 times 1 first, and then you can multiply it by 2. Okay, I want you guys to complete this. And then on Seesaw, you'll see the answer key so you can check your work. Okay, we are going to do 18 and 20 today. Nothing else on this page. So we can cross that off. Cross this off. Okay, you're going to do 18 and 20. You can make an equation or you can draw a picture. There are 5 apples. Troy cuts each apple into 2 pieces. Beth cuts each piece into 4 pieces. What is the total number of apple slices? You can draw out a picture or use your equation. I want to see what you can do. A clerk unpacked 2 boxes of nails. Each box held 4 cartons with 10 packages of nails. To find the number of packages of nails, one clerk multiplied 2 times 4 times 10. Another multiplied 2 times 4 times 10. It was correct. Okay, look at those parentheses. So this person did 2 times 4 first. This person did 4 times 10 first. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, then once you complete these, check the answer key. Get at that homework and get started on it. Again, it says use the parentheses to group the 2 factors and then find each product. So you show me which ones you're doing first by putting the parentheses on them. So are you going to do 2 times 3 first? Or would you do 3 times 6 first? Okay. Are you going to do 5 times 2 first or 2 times 2 first? It's up to you. And then you have, again, this is the missing factor. This is new, so make sure we're multiplying the factors that we do know first. We know 4 and 4 are the factors, so we multiply 4 and 4 first. Then we can find that product times what equals 32. So if I know 4 times 4 is 16, how many 16s are in 32? And then you have your story problems. I really want to see you draw a picture, or if you're using the equation, you show me what each one represents. If you have a 3, I want you to put an O by it because those are oranges. Those stand for oranges. Okay, they have 36 slices all together. This one's going to show you you have the answer. So that's going to be a missing factor. Okay, so I know Jamal and Brianna each bought 3 oranges. They sliced each orange into pieces. They had 36 slices all together. write and solve an unknown factor problem, and it even tells me unknown factor to find how many pieces. So I only see 2 numbers. We have to think, what's the other factor? I should know that Jamal and Brianna are the people in the problem. That's how many? That's 2 people. So I'm going to put a P by there for the people. They each brought 3 oranges. Put an O there for the orange. Okay. I don't know how many pieces they sliced it into, but I know they have a total of 36. So you're going to have to tell me, what is this missing factor here? And then you can go on, post a picture of your work, and check it with the answer key. If you don't get it, you need to be messaging me so I can help you out.